Welcome to Tech Beads. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most innovative and exciting personal transportation devices on the market. From electric bikes powered by the sun to floating boards and self-charging bicycles, we've got it all. So sit back, relax, and join us on this thrilling ride. Let me tell you about the ArcaBoard, a groundbreaking development in the world of personal transportation. This incredible device is capable of floating up to 30 centimeters off the ground, thanks to 36 powerful electric motors that make pusher screws move to lift the user into the air. The screws are installed in the domes and are placed under the base of the flight deck. The power of the propulsion unit is an impressive 272 horsepower, and the total thrust is 195 kilograms, depending on the weight of the person standing on the board. With a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour and one recharge, the user can cover almost 2 kilometers, making it an efficient means of transportation. One of the most unique aspects of the ArcaBoard is that it is controlled with body flexes, making it an entirely hands-free experience. And with up to 6 minutes of flight time, the user can experience the thrill of hovering above the ground in a way that was once only possible in science fiction. At $20,000, the ArcaBoard is certainly not an affordable option for most people. However, it's hard to deny the excitement and innovation of this incredible device. What do you think about it? The Eagle E1 is an electric skateboard that is perfect for travelers due to its portable and compact design. It weighs only 2 kilograms and has a length of 43 centimeters, making it easy to carry around. The battery takes an hour and a half to fully charge, and with a single charge, the skateboard can cover a distance of 11 kilometers. It's equipped with a powerful 400-watt engine, which allows it to effortlessly climb inclines of up to 15 degrees. The price of this electric skateboard, which comes with a special backpack, is $250. In my opinion, the Eagle E1 sounds like a great option for those who enjoy skateboarding and want to try an electric version that is easy to transport. The price point also seems reasonable compared to other electric skateboards on the market. I would be interested in trying it out and seeing how it performs on different types of terrain. What do you think? Let me tell you about the Hydrofoiler XE-1, a new and innovative form of personal transportation. This device features a classic design with the use of underwater wings to keep it afloat, and a screw that is powered by pedals or a 400-watt motor. The bike is built on an aluminum frame with carbon fiber parts, providing both lightweight and durability. Unlike traditional bicycles, the Hydrofoiler XE-1 doesn't have a body in the usual sense. Instead, it remains in the water even at rest. This vehicle is capable of developing speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour and can work for over an hour on a single recharge. The maximum permissible load is 100 kilograms, and the electric bicycle itself weighs 20 kilograms. Thanks to the modular design of the Hydrofoiler XE-1, it can be partially dismantled for transportation purposes, making it a convenient and versatile option for people on the go. Unfortunately, the cost of this development is not currently available. Overall, the Hydrofoiler XE-1 is an exciting innovation in the world of personal transportation, offering a unique and eco-friendly way to travel on the water. What do you think about this new device? The Jetfoiler definitely sounds like a thrilling way to experience water sports. The use of lightweight and durable materials, as well as the underwater wing, makes this board stand out from other electric boards on the market. The ability to control the direction with your feet and operate the motor wirelessly or through a wire also adds to its appeal. It's great that it's suitable for both novice and expert surfers. It's unfortunate that the price has not been disclosed yet, but I can imagine that it may be on the pricier side. Overall, the Jetfoiler seems like a unique and exciting way to enjoy the water, and I would love to give it a try. Have you heard about the new Kubo electric scooter? It's designed to allow you to transport bulky cargo with ease. The scooter comes with a large square compartment that's seamlessly integrated into the frame, so you don't have to worry about carrying your luggage separately. Plus, the compartment comes equipped with retaining rings and hooks, ensuring that your belongings remain safe and secure during transportation. The Kubo electric scooter is also a speedy option, capable of developing a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour. And with an impressive range of up to 80 kilometers on a single recharge, you can easily get around without worrying about running out of power. Plus, you can charge it using any standard power outlet, making it very convenient to use. Overall, I think the Kubo electric scooter is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and fast way to transport bulky cargo. However, the price tag of $5,000 might be a bit steep for some people. What do you think about it? LEAOS Carbon is an innovative electric bike that is powered by the sun. What sets this bike apart is its special solar panels that convert sunlight into electricity to recharge its batteries. The body and steering wheel of the LEAOS Carbon are constructed of lightweight carbon fiber, and the solar panels are so thin that they add hardly any weight to the bike. According to the manufacturer, this bike can cover a distance of 72 kilometers when fully charged. However, it comes at a high price point of $9,000. In my opinion, the idea of an electric bike that can be recharged by the sun is quite intriguing, as it reduces the need for external charging sources and makes the bike more eco-friendly. However, the high cost of the LEAOS Carbon may make it inaccessible to many potential buyers. What do you think about it? The row bike is a fascinating innovation in the world of cycling. Unlike conventional bikes, this vehicle is set in motion not by twisting pedals or an engine, but through a unique rowing mechanism. The row bike is equipped with a movable seat that slides along the frame with each stroke, providing a fluid and rhythmic motion. In place of pedals, the row bike uses a steering wheel that acts as a lever, contributing to the bike's speed development. And when you come to a stop, the bike has completely static standing stops, allowing for a stable and safe pause. What's great about the row bike is that it not only serves as a means of transportation but also provides an excellent workout. By simulating rowing, the row bike can serve as a back and arm simulator, providing a unique and effective way to exercise while commuting. At $1,500, the row bike is also a more affordable option than many electric bikes on the market. Overall, I think the row bike is a great innovation that combines transportation and exercise in a unique and efficient way. What are your thoughts on it? Have you heard about the XE-800? It's an electric scooter that combines the features of a skateboard, moped, and motorcycle to provide a convenient and stable ride. What's really impressive about this scooter is its 800-watt engine, which allows it to accelerate to a top speed of 35 kilometers per hour. And with strong, 24-centimeter wide tires, you don't have to worry about the vehicle losing stability during sharp turns. Another great feature of the XE-800 is its reliable performance on the road. It won't threaten its rider with a fall or any other mishap. Plus, with just one battery recharge, you can travel up to 80 kilometers. That's quite impressive. To stay on top of your XE-800's performance, there's a companion application for your smartphone that provides all the necessary device data. And the best part? You can purchase this hybrid scooter for just $1,700. Overall, I think the XE-800 is a great option for anyone looking for a stable, fast, and reliable electric scooter. What do you think about it? Track 1 is a unique three-wheel electric skateboard that is suitable for driving on any surface, including snow, sand, and soft ground. The The device has two massive studded wheels at the front and a caterpillar chain at the rear, allowing it to accelerate up to 32 km per hour and cover a distance of almost 20 km without recharging. The charging time is about 3 hours. The device can easily climb hills with an angle of up to 50 degrees and isn't afraid of water. If necessary, you can connect a special wheel to track one, which is useful when performing complex tricks. The vehicle costs $2,000. Track 1 seems like an exciting and versatile vehicle that can be used in a variety of terrains. Its ability to climb hills with a steep angle of up to 50 degrees and its resistance to water make it a reliable mode of transportation for outdoor enthusiasts. The inclusion of a special wheel for performing complex tricks is a unique feature that adds to its appeal. However, the cost of $2,000 may be a barrier for some potential buyers. The VELLO bike is an innovative and unique electric bicycle that is foldable and self-charging. With a weight of only 11 kilograms and the ability to fold to a compact suitcase size, it is perfect for commuters or those who are always on the go. Its special tires make it easy to roll even in the folded state. What's even more impressive is its self-charging function, which allows the battery to be fully charged through pedaling and braking, converting mechanical energy into electricity. This feature makes it very convenient for users who don't have access to an external power source. However, the cost of a self-loading model at $1,900 may be a bit steep for some consumers, especially when compared to traditional bicycles. Nonetheless, for those who prioritize convenience and sustainability, the VELLO bike is definitely worth considering.